Hello, welcome. We are still continuing our slippers. In this part of this episode, I'm going to show you how to cut and wrap the slippers. So the items we are going to need is our slippers, our satin ribbon, scissors, plier, needle, and our fishing line. The fishing line we are using size 0.4 because we are using that one to sew the handles of the slippers. Let's get started. So first of all, you cut the slippers. We are leaving a small portion because that's where we will fix our bow tie. So when you cut, okay, it's in proportion. So if it's not in proportion, you have to shape the edges to get a smooth end. So we'll do same for the other one. So we are coming to sew the handles. You attach them together and hold it in place. You are using the plier because the handle is a little bit hard. So when this one out, in, out, that's the direction you use in sewing the slippers handles. So this is how the sewing goes. It's out, in, out, in, out. Then to cut you make a knot, then you cut the excess fishing line. So this is how your slippers would look like. So you sew the handles here, then you apply the bow tie there. So we are now coming to wrap our handles. This is satin ribbon. So we are going to start the wrapping from this end to the other end. So this is how to cut, sew, and wrap. First of all, we are going to sew the handles. You pick the cloth. Then you pick the middle part. You see 1, 2, 3. So you pick the middle bead. And we are sewing it all round. We are just picking the middle beads, this lane and this lane. That's where we are sewing. So you do it, then you pick the cloth. It's just a repetition. So we are making our knots, and we are done with the sewing. So we are done with the sewing. We are coming to apply our bow tie. So see this place at the point, it's sharp, so we are going to smoothen it out. So we are sewing the middle parts. This way. It passes through. So our slippers is ready. Very beautiful slippers. It fits any occasion. So very beautiful one. Hope you really enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Thank you.